This material is Respiratory System, intended for 11th grade high school student in biology with a learning duration of 2 times 40 minutes, phase F. This is teaching material development designed by Group 2 Biology Education A 2023 from Surabaya State University. In this session, we will learn 6 main things. First, explain the structure and function of tissues in human respiratory organs. 2. Relate the structure and function of human respiratory organs to the bioprocess that occur. 3. Differentiate between chest breathing and abdominal breathing. 4. Relate the air capacity of the lungs to the manner and strength of respiration. 5. Diagnose the symptoms of disease or disorder of the respiratory system. And last, analyze the effect of air pollution and abnormalities in the structure and function of respiratory organs. Now, let's talk about the respiratory system. The respiratory system is a collection of organs that allow the body to take in oxygen from the air and remove carbon dioxide. This process, called external respiration, is essential for supporting cellular metabolism and maintaining body balance. This flowchart simplifies a complex process that captures the essential steps involved in oxygen transport and gas exchange within the respiratory system. First, air enters through the nose or mouth, passing the pharynx, larynx, and trachea into the bronchi. Second, bronchi divide into bronchioles leading to alveoli clusters. Third, in the alveoli, oxygen enters the blood and carbon dioxide exits into the alveoli. The last, the diaphragm relaxes, pushing air out through the trachea, larynx, and nose or mouth. Now that we understand the path of oxygen travel, let's discuss the main organs of the respiratory system, starting from the mouth and nose to the alveolus as the site of gas exchange. The nose serves as the primary entry point for air. Inside the nose, we find the nasal cavity, which filters incoming air, removing dust and particles, warm and humidifies the air before it reaches the lungs, and contains olfactory receptors for our sense of smell. The nose is the main route of air entry, which function to filter, moisturize, and warm the air. If the nose is blocked, the mouth becomes an alternative route for breathing, although it is less efficient. The pharynx connects the nasal cavity and mouth to the trachea. It serves as a common pathway for both air and food. The epiglottis, a flap-like structure in the pharynx, prevents food from entering the trachea during swallowing. The larynx is a tough, flexible segment of the respiratory tract that connects the pharynx, back of the nose and throat, to the trachea windpipe. It allows air to pass through it while preventing food and drink from blocking the airway. The trachea or windpipe is a flexible tube that carries air from the larynx to the bronchi. With the cartilage rings, the trachea remains open to ensure smooth airflow. The bronchi are the main airways into the lungs. When you breathe, air enters your body through your mouth and nose and passes through the larynx and trachea. The trachea branches into a bronchus in each lung. The bronchi are equipped with tiny, hair-like structures called cilia. Cilia help move mucus out of your lungs, keeping the bronchi clean and healthy. Bronchioles are small, branching air passage inside the lungs. They serve as conduits for air, connecting the larger bronchi to the alveoli. Alveoli are where gas exchange occurs, oxygen enters the bloodstream, and carbon dioxide is removed during exhalation. Bronchioles deliver air to a diffuse network of approximately 300 million alveoli. Alveoli are small air pockets in the lungs that are the main site of gas exchange. Here, oxygen enters the blood, while carbon dioxide escapes to be discarded when we exhale. Alright, now that we've explored the fascinating details of the respiratory system, it's time to put your knowledge to the test with a fun quiz. This quiz features 2 multiple-choice questions designed to challenge your understanding. Let's get started with the first questions. The following is the correct order of the passage of air in the human respiratory system. Take a moment to think and choose the best answer. Correct, the answer is A. The second question. A group of students observed a model of the human respiratory system and discovered an organ with this characteristic. First, it transmits air to the next part of the respiratory tract, though it has tiny hairs in its cavity. And third, it features a concha at its base. Please choose the best answer. Great! The answer is nasal cavity. Great job, guys! Keep exploring and learning about the respiratory system, and thank you!